Good day, ma'am. My name is Jenny Macy Sabado from BSIT 2B. I am here to summarize our lessons on information management and the entity relationship or ER model. These concepts are foundational for understanding how organizations structure, store, and use data effectively. So, what is data? Data, information in raw or unorganized form, such as alphabet, numbers, or symbols that refer to or represent conditions, ideas, or objects. For example, date and time data. Track specific points in time. This type of data is useful for scheduling timeless and analyzing trends over time. And also, we have two categories data. First, structured. Second, unstructured. Structured, this is the databases, spreadsheets. While unstructured, this is the forms, image, audio, movies. So, what is information? Information's organized forms of data. For example, weather forecast. This information provides details about expected weather conditions, while management is an individual or a group of individuals that concepts responsible to our organizations. So management have 6 M's. First, man and woman. Second, money. Third, mechanics. Four, materials. Fifth, methods. And lastly, markets. So also we have 5 key components of IM. People, culture, process, content, technology. These components work together to ensure effective management of information within an organization. Also, the information's life cycle consists of the following: creation, storage, use, sharing, archiving, disposal. This cycle ensures that information is managed effectively throughout this lifespan. So, in this topic of information management, I would like to highlight this. Information management involves collecting, storing, organizing, and retrieving data to support decision making and operations. Effective info management enhances data accuracy, accessibility, and security, driving efficiency and its insights. Key aspects include data governance, quality control, and leveraging tech like databases. So let's proceed our next topic, which is the entity relationship model. It's a conceptual data model that describes the structure of database. It consists of entities, attributes, relationship. Relationship. This is have relationship instance. This is to primary key foreign by equivalence to related tables. While relationship type, this is the category of relationships. And lastly, we have associated entity. This is the combinations of relation and entity. Also, we have cardinality of relationship. One to one, one to many, and many to many. So what is to one? One is to one is the entity relationship will have exactly one related entity. While one to many, this is the one side of the relationship can have many related entities. while the many-to-many, both sides of the relationship can have many related entities. In ER model, we have the minimum of cardinality of crosfoot and chance. So the crosfoot, we have optical, which means yung circle, while the mandatory 1 and sa chain 1. Minimum of 1 and chain ulit is 1. And sa crosfoot, many to many. In ER model, we have degree of relationship, unary relationship, binary relationship, and also ternary relationship. Unary relationships, this is the one entity of the same entity type, while binary, two different types to each other, and also the ternary, three different types of the each other. So I have examples of cross-foot model. I have to explain this based on my ideas. So the image shows a relational schema for a tiny college database. It outlines the structure with entities like students, course, and classes, and how they are related through enrollment. Each entity has attribute. Student has a student number, last name, and etc. The lines and symbols indicate relationship one to many. A student can enroll in many classes, and one-to-one or many-to-one between classes and courses.